Good afternoon, YouTubers. This is Michael Steinmates here. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the Trial of a Time Lord box set. This is the final season of Colin Baker being a doctor before Sylvester McCoy took over. There's a 6th Doctor, Colin Baker. There's an Inquisitor. And there's the Valeyard. There's the Gallifreyan space station. Wow. This is so cool. And look at these 4 episodes they have on the Trial of a Time Lord. They had extras. Wow. There's 44. Story number 144, 45, 46, and 47. Wow. That's 4 of those episodes left. And these pictures... Wait, hold on just a second. Look at these pictures they had. Wow. And I'll go pull it out. First thing, we're going to start up with is the first one of the Trial of a Time Lord. It's parts 1 through 4, The Mysterious Planet. Wow, that was a weird episode. Katrina right here is the leader. Drepro, the immortal. There's her village. Came from the planet called Ravalox. Wow, that's a weird place. Look on the back. They got same pictures. Whoa, this is creepy. It was very cool how it is before, said here. And we got this. The recycled material is so cool. And we got the disc of the Trial of a Time Lord, parts 1 through 4, The Mysterious Planet. Wow. This is very cool how it is set here on Doctor Who. And here next up we have Mind Warp. This is a good, weird looking story. There's Syl. This is so cool how it was before, and his brother came back here in this same story. Look at this picture. It's weird, isn't it? And we got something extras. And look inside this case. There's a recycled material, and there's the disc of Mind Warp. It's definitely weird. It was before. It looks the same. And next up we have is the Terror of the Vervoids. This is the first appearance of Melanie, plays as Bonnie Langford. Bonnie Langford is Melanie. Well, Terror of the Vervoids was very creepy. It was here on Doctor Who, when it was very completely used to complete. But it was very difficult being the decision that it was as Pip and Jane Baker. Wow. It's the writer, 2 of those writers. And we got recycled material. We got is the disc of Terror of the Vervoids. This is so cool, and that's it. And next up we have is the Ultimate Foe. It's silly, isn't it? Look at that. It's definitely silly. There's the Master, played by Anthony Ainley. Anthony Ainley had died in 2004. We got something special, but it's definitely extras. So cool it was. These pictures. And we got the disc of the Ultimate Foe. It's very similar. That it came since. I like the US, but I don't like the UK. Well, as you guys show that I'm really love you all so much that I was doing it on my YouTube channel. Well, and I believe that I got to do something, and I don't know what I'm gonna do to put the unbagging of the Android invasion. Well, I don't know how, but this is Michael Steinmates, and I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll let you know as soon as I get the Android invasion. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.